On the way to focus credit. This map है रमे तो जानी because we have to use this map to go. देख हामी कहाँ जाँदैछौँ? Come from here. Yeah. Ah. See the big tree. You can hear a bird's sound, right?
Yeah.
See how they're chirping? Chirp, chirp. Oh, they see that? What that? Caterpillar are hanging. We are going into the deep jungle. Deep, like caterpillars are too much. See? This is called a caterpillar. This will become a butterfly.
Yes, it will.
Very soon. See, there are too much caterpillars. See, you can see the lake there. These are the roads, right? We walk in Nepal also, like bumpy roads, up and down. सानवी जा यता हेर बाबा बाबा यता हेर ल यहाँ उभ सानवी म फोटो See the lakes are there. Let's go to the viewpoint. There are many things to see inside this jungle. There are no wild animals, just for it's a safe jungle for human. But we can see lots of birds, small animals, some insects like caterpillars, lots of grass, many types of trees and plants, right?
What happens if you turn on the map and you're walking? A lot of leaves. Those must be left from Paul.
Wait. Sunny, I cannot see your face. This topi milao itti?
This is the kettle lake.
Kettle, maybe look like a kettle, like a kettle pot. See, we are almost to the kettle lake. Whoa, such a cool. Huh? Oh, see, we can see a kettle lake. Let's have a view. There are lots of lotus plants. Wow. Come on. Come on, sit beside the lake. I'll take some pictures. See, we can see the yellow lotus. Yeah. Come on. See, so peaceful. Look at me, girls. Look at me. यता हेर एन्टी लाइट पर्दो रहेछ मास्क निकालो किन nobody is around us. We are not on the crowded place. We are on the यतापट्टि पनि फर्क न हुन्छ लेक बिच पनि आउनु पर्यो ल सानी के यसरी फर्क यसरी पनि आउँछ होला हो आधा बिच आधा लेक ल ल उभ ल लुक एट मी सानी तिमी यहाँ उभ न तिमी सानो तिमी यहाँ हो यसो ल यता हेर सिधा उभ कि सानी मेरो पनि भिडियो गइरहेछ जस्ट क्लिक दिस वान पिक्चर पनि आउँछ भिडियो पनि आउँछ सँगसँगै माथिको
त्यो छेउमा
ल जाऊ नि
ल मेरो एउटा सिङ्गल पनि खिच्देऊ पछि
माथिको खिच्ने
माथिको जुन छ नि त्यो भिडियो रातोभन्दा माथिको त्यसले पिक्चर पनि खिच्छ क्या आज त्यसरी होइन अब जाऊ तिमीहरू उता जाऊ म मेरो माथि खिच्छ खिच्छ नि यसरी पानीसँग टोपी ल्याउ गऱ्यो के यतापट्टि आउँछ नि घाम ल यतापट्टि आउँछ
There's lily pads. There's frog pads. Lily pads. Those are why? It's called just the leaves.
यसले खिच्नु सानवी ल यसले खिच फोटो
ल भयो These are lotus?
कमल लिएर गए हाम्रो पोखरी लगेर गइरहनु पाइन्न होला
Can I run? Can I run? Can I run?
यत्रो मान्छे छ नै भन्नुहुन्छ यसरी राम्रो देखिन्छ क्या जब घाम र हरियो पर्छ नि टाइम वन पाखामा रमाउँदैछ मम्मी यसपालि फादर्स डे स्पेसल राइट वन पाखा स्पेसल यो बेलको रुख जस्तो है बेल यही रुख त नि हाम्रो घरमा भएको के यो वाला यत्रो ठुलो हुँदो रहेछ ऊ हेर भमरा हेर भमरा गुनगुना रहे हैं भौरे खिल रही कली कली Oh my god. Some khiras are there. See the butterflies. उता हिल्टन फल जस्तो है थर्टै एक्सकर्सनमा आए जस्तो भएको छ भेराइटी अफ प्लान्ट्स इन्सेक्ट्स अनि यो हेर्ने है ए यो प्लान्ट पनि कतै देखे जस्तो छ
field trip right Sunny field trip
नेचर फिल्ड ट्रिप
Like you had to do it with your family, right?
Yeah. Are you enjoying?
Yeah. Are you tired of walking?
Who you asking?
Bambi.
Sanvi, are you tired? Answer me.
Only a little.
There are lots of way to go. Maybe there is a sign we can read from there. Are we?
Maybe we had to go even taller.
Are we on the right way or not? We have to see from that signboard. See, we hear something. There are. Oh yeah, it's right. See, it's a falls. We are going on the right way. See, keep walking the straight.
I hope I don't fall, right?
Yeah.
Because it's like a slide.
You know, we used to walk this all like
Up and down.
this kind of road when we are going to our mama ghar or way back to home. This is when we are going from.
Way home.
Yeah, we have to go this all way up and down hills, small road, big road.
not like
See?
plain hill
Yeah, see the flowers.
by step
Look
good.
the same way that's behind us.
I think my capacity will fill up soon.
Which one is easier, down
down the hill also. You are getting more tired. Up the hill also. Easy. But if it is too much, you get more tired.
We are getting shade, we are getting a sun, right? See it?
Hide and seek with the sun.
Yeah.
I can see the sun.
I used to run like this.
You did?
Yeah.
I'm holding money.
Just like a tire, like
I am. Anyways, I put my max in my pocket.
You are super smart.
I'll just close here. I think lots, long way to go. Ooh, so much butterflies. Oh my God. Oh. Just close your eyes. Don't. Moths. They are moths, not butterflies. Sorry.
That's a butterfly.
Did all the caterpillar?
Yeah.
They don't come into butterfly.
And the caterpillar. There were so many caterpillars.
See, the tree looks empty from inside, hollow. Hollow tree. अझै त फर्के हेर कस्तो राम्रो
रुख जस्ता भयो
कस्तो अग्ला अग्ला रुख है यी सल्लो कौन सल्लोका रुख हुन् के हुन् यिनीहरू
म्यापलै हुन्थ्यो
म्यापल होइन कोही म्यापल छन् कोही सल्लाका छन् यतापट्टिका Yeah, it's a long way, but we can hear the water. Waterfall now, Forks of Credit waterfall. After walking for 30 to 40 minutes, we are finally reaching to the Fork of Credit waterfall destination. We are almost there. Tired. Nice trekking. Good exercise. Wow, I can hear the falling water sound. We are almost on the viewpoint, right? What does that say? Credit Fork Rock and Roll. Woo. We see this now? No trespassing. Huh? No way now. Cataract Side Trail. This side is closed.
No, you look. Are we going back?
No, that's just the end. This side trail returns to the main Bruce Trail.
But if that is a waterfall, you have to go in the same direction.
I think there is a one way to go up. But it's okay, we can go back to the same way. I don't know, we'll miss.
But it's that on the same way.
I know. Let's return now. We reached our destination. Now we are returning back.
We're just going to see the waterfall. It's not very.
We can't touch the waterfall. It's maybe very deep, you know? See how deep is there? If I drop my phone, it won't return. I don't want to drop my phone. Yeah. Let's go. Do you enjoy this long trekking?
I didn't enjoy the waterfall.
We didn't able to touch, right?
I didn't even see it clearly.
It's far. I think
We
some.
walked all the way to here.
Hmm.
Like last time when we saw the waterfall, we got to touch it, we got to go.
Yeah, last time waterfall was
But
not that high and not that forceful. This is forceful and very high. Yeah,
dangerous.
dangerous. लेट्स गो हरिया हाँ फोटोमा खिच्ने हो फोटोमा सानी उभिऊ यहाँ उभिऊ ल त्यहाँ उभिऊ ल हाँ होइन भिडियोमा मात्रै आउँछ सानी जाउँ सानी त्यहाँ तिम्रो मेरो ब्याग समातेर कहाँ हुन्छ
सानवी नजाऊ तिमी
समातेर कहाँ हुन्छ
सानवी नजाऊ
आउन देऊ ल गाउँ त्यो चिप्लिङ न जा 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 छोड छोड हिँड छोड हिँड हिँड Now we have to return from there. From this way, this way. Go down. Follow me then. Let me go first. And then you have to have a good gripping shoe. I think you will scare both of you. No, Aida. Aida. Aida.
ले
हाथ दे ल हिँड ल रन रन ओह्रालो बाटो आयो downhill is the downhill uphill downhill moss the big dog is coming oh my god कत्रो ठुलो डग रहेछ Yeah, let's go. Mostly is a downhill. It's not that. Uphill is little hard, but downhill is. You have to be careful. It can get slide.
Yeah.
But it's not rainy day, so it's the slippery chances is less. Just. Sunny, you go. Otherwise, you'll not come in video. I'm almost. Sunny. यहाँ दे मलाई दे है लाइन यहाँ कहाँलाई तिम्रो down by the lake. I have some stone in my leg. No, the same way, the big way, big road.
Wait.
मार्क्स निकाल्छ एकछिन यता हेर होइन गोजीमा राख न एकछिनलाई गोजी हो त्यसरी ल
We're not coming back.
गुड कस्तो राम्रो आएको घाँस पनि रातै पछितिर पनि जङ पहाड जस्तो मेरो पनि खिच्देऊ न ए यहाँ माथि गएर उभिएर खिचौँ न त्यो उकालोमा चाहिँ वाटर मेरो पनि खिच्देऊ न एकछिन
पुरै यस्तो ठाडो
होइन सिधै खिच्यो भिडियो छैन त्यसमा
You became red.
भिडियोसँगै देख्थ्यो क्या
ल पक
You became
यता हेर्न
red.
यता यता हेर यता
अपहिल उकाली चढौँला ओह्राली झरौँला के भन्ज्याङ भए पनि त्यो पानी चढौँला तिम्रै लागि हो भने नाडै काटौँला गीत गरौँ गीत पनि मिस्टेक भयो के हो वर्डिङ पनि बिर्सिएँ अहिले
Picture that we did.
No.
Yeah?
See, this uphill we have to cross. And then I think there will be some straight road to the lake. Come on. Oh, Kali chadada. One step, 2 step, 3, 4, 5. Still more way to go.